Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Bluetooth speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who already have a Bluetooth speaker connected to their Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and remove that speaker just in case you got a new one? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's navigate to our Samsung Smart TV and then click on Settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Sound. So click on Sound and then click on Sound Output. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth speaker list. So on Bluetooth speaker list, you're going to see a list of all the Bluetooth speakers that your TV is currently connected to. So if you want to go ahead and remove one of them, you just need to click on the Bluetooth speaker and then click on delete. And then it's going to ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to delete this Bluetooth speaker? Click on delete. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and deleted a Bluetooth speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a Bluetooth speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.